Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, you'll be learning the quickest and easiest way to draft male pants. Let's begin. Start by placing your waist circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch allowance and draw a line across. This will be the crotch line. Then on that crotch line, place your lap measurement divided by 2 plus ½ inch allowance. On the waistline, place your waist circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch. Place the same measurement on the crotch line and draw a line. Now on that new line, go out by 1 inch and draw a line. This line will serve as a guide for the crotch curve. Now draw the crotch curve starting from the lap measurement point to that 1 inch line. After drawing the crotch curve, connect the curve to the waistline like this. It should touch that first line we drew. Then on the waistline center front, go down by ½ inch and connect to the side front. This will create a slant. Now we are going to mark the full length measurement. So from the slant we just created, mark your full length measurement plus 2 inches hem allowance. To get the knee line, mark your full length measurement divided by 2. Now to shape the trouser, go in by ½ inch on the knee line, and on the hemline, go in by 1 inch and connect to the knee line. Then connect the knee to the crotch line. Now on the knee line, mark your knee measurement divided by 2. On the hemline, mark your ankle measurement divided by 2 and connect the points. Moving on to the back pattern, we are going to first extend the crotch line by 1 inch and connect to the knee line like this. Also trace out the outline of the center back. Then at the side back, add 2 inches allowance from the hemline to the waistline. After that, move the front pattern backwards aligning it to the 2 inches allowance we just marked. Make sure it is properly aligned. Then on the waistline, go upwards by 1 3/4 inches or 2 inches. If your client's waist is 43 and above, you should use 2.5 inches. Now connect this point to the waistline like this. Then on the new waistline, mark your waist measurements divided by 4 plus 3 inches allowance. This 3 inches allowance includes 1/2 inch allowance to join the side seams, 1 inch allowance for the darts, and 1.5 inches allowance to join the back. Now connect this point to the crotch like this. Now to create the dart on the back, first mark 2 inches inwards from the center back. Then fold the piece towards the 2 inches point and mark that folded edge. I'm just going to use a pin to do mine. Also transfer that mark to the other piece. Now notch the point. This will be the center of our dart. Now from the waistline, mark 3.5 inches downwards. Then mark 1/2 inch on both sides of the line and connect. Then do the same thing on the other piece. And we're done drafting the pants. I also made a tutorial on how to sew very clean side pockets. I'll link it in the comment section, so you should definitely check it out. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. See you in the next video.